I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Twitter account. For that, first of all, open up your Twitter app on your phone. After you open up your app, on top left you'll see a 3-bar menu icon. Tap on it. Go to Settings and Privacy. There you'll see the option of Account. Tap on it. Under Data and Permission, there you'll see the option of Deactivate your account. Tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on Deactivate. To complete your deactivation request, enter your password and then tap on Deactivate, which is on your left hand side. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to deactivate. Tap on Yes, Deactivate. This way you can easily deactivate your Twitter account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.